Sikkim. It's a place which is still managed to preserve what it was earlier despite the tourist inflow into that place. But the nature in its pristine glory you can really see in Sikkim. From what I have seen, tourism friendly, I would say Amsterdam, mainly because the people are very friendly. That I feel is what a tourist destination should offer to the tourists. I like flowers and maybe thick green vegetation, and also the water which flows through hills in the midst of vegetation. That really gives you a feel good. You feel really good when you see that. Maybe it's nature in all its glory. The greenery, the water, everything that nature gives you, nothing that you have created or you can ever create. I would have read about it even without being aware of it really. Once I came into government, there have been many occasions where the need to preserve the environment has very seriously been discussed and it became a part of the thought process. I won't say that it has changed it very drastically, but at least when I use water, I am now more aware of the need to preserve water. The rivers were full during monsoon. Even after a few days of rain, they are still remaining very, very timid, I should say. So that's one change which has happened over the years. We pollute the atmosphere more, and pollution of course leads to environment degradation. The Western nations have to a certain extent, after exploiting the environment to the full, they have at least now learned to manage the environment, manage the pollution part at least to some extent. When I say West, I mainly mean Europe. But developing countries, maybe because of their needs for development, we are degrading the environment every day, and each one of us is contributing to it. I am now residing near Kottayam town. The environmental issue which is facing Kottayam, management of solid waste in the municipality of Kottayam, which actually it is being dumped in the nearby Panchayat. I think Vadavadur is still a Panchayat. In the Panchayat of Vadavadur, it is polluting the entire place. I don't know how the people there live. Every day we have to consciously decide to use less and use it to the minimum. Whatever is optimum for your need, maybe live slightly less than what is optimum for your need.